Okay, ano yung ibig sabihin ng nueve para nuevo? It's about 9 dreams for a new Philippines. Merong siyam na pangarap which is anchored also on the book, no? Na ito yung mga dreams ng isang bagong Pinoy, paano magbabago yung ating bansa. So there are 9 dreams. It's separated into 3 categories. Edukasyon, tumutugon na edukasyon. Kalimutan ko yung Tagalog ng compassionate communities. Compassionate communities. And governance. Trustworthy governance. Mapagkakatiwala ang pamamahala. Okay. So tatlong areas yon. And what we were doing is we were featuring people or organizations or groups who were already doing something about the dreams. What I want to do down the road is to write a book about it, but to show na hindi na lang ito mga pangarap, meron ng mga
It's happening.
konkretong realidad na nangyayari on the ground, mga tao, organisasyon na gumagawa. No? Para hindi isipin ng iba na, oh, na naman tayo, makanga na naman tayo, puro pangarap na lang tayo. No. The 9 dreams for a new Philippines is not just anchored on dreams, but on concrete things that can be done. So yun yung next na ginagawa namin.